back to my channel, Just Ria. I am Ria, and today we are going to be doing a cash stuffing. So I already got the cash breakdown right here, but I have the cash here and I have my change. So let's go ahead, let's put our silver in the silver jar. All right, and then we have our brown jar, and we're just going to put the remaining in the brown. This will be the dollar jar, so let's go through the envelopes and see if we have anything left. I know there's nothing left in that. Nothing in gas. Nothing in house stuff, nothing in kiddos. I know there's nothing in self-care. I know there's nothing in hubby or Ria. Fur babies is nothing. Alex still has 10 and I will leave it. Niecy still has her 15 and I will leave it. And Kayla actually has extra because her birthday was on the 3rd. So I just put her birthday money in her envelope. Okay, we have something in grown-up fund. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh wait, 15. Okay, so we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 in grown-up fund. I'm gonna keep out the ones and put the 10 back. And I'm not sure if I put anything in miscellaneous or not last time, but there's nothing in it, or giving in tips or family outings. So $5, 2, 3, 4, 5 will go to my dollar fund. As you can see, it's empty now because I changed it out and then I used the $7. So we're just starting over with the $5. It won't move this time, guys. So there we go. And if you guys are wondering, I got all of these jars from Dollar Tree. I thought they were so cute and very fitting to what we are doing. So yeah. All right, so let's talk about how, look at my fingernail polish all in the way. Let's talk about how I did as far as budgeting went. Let me tell you, budgeting, it didn't go too well. Again, I'm still struggling trying to make it all work. So I'm still, I guess, figuring out my budget. So I went up on the budget again this week. So we'll see how that goes. All right, so we're stuffing $470. I'm just making sure everything is turned right. But how does y'all's week go? How has this fall weather have been treating y'all? Because it's been treating me very good. I have been liking the coolness that we have been having, and I am going to embrace this fall weather. I'm so excited. Okay, all of that is turned right. So I have a total of $470, $150, 520s, 13 10s, 26 5s, and $60 in ones. So let's just get right to it, guys. Tithes and offerings, we're going to be getting $15, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. My envelopes, they're splitting. That's the only thing I don't like. Grocery shopping, I went this weekend. Gas is getting $60. I'm just gonna keep it simple. No, we'll do 2 10s. So 20, 40, 50, and 60 for gas. I'm going out of town, so 30 fills my car up, and it's still on the half a tank, so I've been doing good there, you guys. I haven't had to dip for gas again. House stuff is gonna get 40, so let's do 25, 30, 40. 25, 30, 40. And I don't know why I did it that way, but we're gonna do that. All right. Kiddos, I'm not putting anything in that envelope. Self-care gets 10, 5, 10. Cause I just got my hair done, so I'm not getting my hair done again till probably the beginning of November. So I have a good while to build that up. Hubby gets 75, so we're gonna do 120, 30, 40, 50, 5, 60, 65, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I guess they weren't all turned right. Let's count it one more time. 20, 30, 40, 50, 5, 60, 65, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He's gonna be happy about that increase in allowance. Rhea gets 100. Don't tell nobody. Shh. Keep it quiet. So we're gonna do 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. I'm gonna do some more. 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right. So this should be 100 bucks. I'm gonna count it again. So it's 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90, 1, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. And I don't know about y'all, but I like my money to be the highest bills in the back and the shorter bills, not shorter, but the smaller bills in the front. That's how I like my money. Ooh, my envelope kind of thick. Fur babies are gonna get $20. So we're gonna do 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alex, he has 10 already, but he's getting 15. So 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so 10, 20, 1, 22, 23, 24, 25. So he has $25 total now. Niecy, she gets 15. She has 15, so set that to the side. All right, so I added 15s to her, so that's her total. She has 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Kayla, she gets 15. All right, and she already has, let's count Kayla's because she started off with I think 20 bucks, I think. I don't remember, but 20, 30, 5, 40, 45. So that's including money that she had from the previous week and her birthday money. So she has 45, 50, 55, $60. Go Kayla, go, go, go Kayla. All right. Grown Up Fun is gonna get 60. Is it really? 10, 20, 30, 5. What else do I have left? 10, 20, 35, 40, 1, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. I'm short somewhere. Like, where did we go wrong? Oh, no, I'm sorry. Grown Up Fun is not getting $60. Grown Up Fun actually is not getting anything. I'm like, wait, what happened? Where did we go wrong? We didn't go wrong anywhere. I actually went wrong thinking that I was adding something to Grown Up Fun. Miscellaneous is gonna get 50, just one $50 bill. Has nothing in it. Giving and tips is gonna get 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And family outings is gonna get 45, and that should be what is left. So 10, 20, 30, 5, 40, 1, 42, 43, 44, 45. I'm still laughing thinking that I was gonna put $60 in Grown Up Fun. 45. All right, you guys, so that is everything. I wanted to share with you guys, so it asks, where do I deserve a gold star? I put I deserve a gold star for continuing to try to get better at budgeting. And then it asks, is there anything I can do better next week? I put budget better and follow the budget. And in my head, that to me, that means don't dip in other envelopes, getting money out, and stay under budget or within the budget. I mean, and also you don't have to spend it all just because you have it in there. So that is what I'm working on. Hopefully these increases, if you notice, I increased Rhea, I increased hubby, I increased house stuff. I took away from Grown Up Fun, and I actually took family outings down. So mostly where I increased is here, here, and here, because we are the ones doing the most damage. So hopefully I will have a good report to report back for next week, because I am going to be doing a cash stuffing next week. It won't be this big. This one was $470. But still, I still want to do it. All right. Well, thank you guys for tuning into this video. And I will see you guys next week. I'm going to just clean off my cash breakdown teller sheet. And I'm going to stick it right back where it belongs. And then I have another one too. There it is. Just wipe it off. I absolutely love the fact that she included those in there because I didn't have to pay extra for it. So this is a huge plus. And the tellers love this, guys. They wanted to know where I got them from. They wanted to get it for their customers. But, you know, hey, I can drop the plug. That don't mean that they were going to get it. But thank you guys again for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hey. Check out the nail cam.